Hi, I'm Aiza, this is Alisha, this is Shafiq, and so we are from Sekolah Seni Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and today we are going to show our product called the ABC capsule. In short, it's called the Abate capsule. So, what is the Abate capsule? So, the Abate capsule is another alternative to use this product called the Abate chemical powder. So, this is the Abate chemical powder. An Abate chemical powder is a powder that is used to prevent the breeding and spreading of Aedes mosquito. So there was another way of using this powder. It's called using this. So how do we use this? We cut off a piece of cloth, a rectangle or a square shaped. Then we at least measure at least about 10 grams, 11 grams of this Abate powder, and then we wrap it around with a metal rod. Afterwards, then they will use it to throw it into the water tank, and then they will just use it to try to prevent Aedes mosquitoes. This works well, but not that efficient and really time consuming. Because when you use this, Alicia will show you, when you use this, when you drop it in the water, it sinks to the bottom. But the problem we have right now, the main objective is this one is to kill larvas, but the larvas are on top of the water. But this only sinks to the bottom, and it only spreads to the bottom, not on the top. So there's probably not really much of an affection there. So that's why we made this Abate capsule. So this Abate capsule will float on the top, and then it will dilute the chemical onto the top where it's mainly focused on. So what are the advantages of this Abate capsule? So the advantage of this Abate capsule, instead of weighing the chemical, we scoop it, and then we close it, and we throw it right into the water. And then it has a glow in the dark sticker. So Aedes mosquitoes love dark places. Well, this glows in the dark, so they won't disturb the capsule, and then it's easier to find it in the water tank since the water tank is really dark. And then we have this vinyl layer here where they can write down the date where they put the capsule in, because when we use this chemical, it was only effective if you change it every 3 months. So yeah, so this is.
Have you tested how long it takes?
It takes about 3 months, and then this capsule.
This capsule. But for the actual one?
Also 3 months, because this capsule is reusable. Every 3 months you need to collect it back, and then you need to refill it. So once it's inside the water, like I said, it will dilute on the top, and then it will slowly sink to the bottom. It will dilute covering the whole of the tank. And then once it's at the bottom and the chemical finishes, it will rise back up the top. That's when you can use it and take it back and put more of the chemical, and then use it for your next use. Yes.
So it's my question just now, how many volume of water for these small capsules can cover?
So 10 grams of this chemical, which is this capsule, in the box of the chemical also says it takes about 30 days to dilute. So yeah, so it's not about what we use, it's about how fast the chemical will dilute. Yes. Yeah, so why do we actually make this? Because our school got fined from the DBKL because we had a lot of larvae in our waters. So our department actually tried to think of an idea. How do we prevent this? So we started coming out with this capsule, easier way to actually use this product. So then after 5 months or so, we created this model, and then we tested it for about 3 months, 6 months, and then it actually worked. It worked well.
Is this the initial idea?
These are the prototypes. These are our stages. So at first we made this. This is our first experiment. It worked, but doesn't look that pleasing. Yes, need to be improved. So then we decided to take it apart, and we made 2 cylinders. But then this doesn't give the exact amount that we need. So then we made it. We calculated them all. We made this the same size as this, but it doesn't look too nice. Doesn't look like it should be. Yeah. So then we decided to make it much more nicer, and then we made this. So this is what we use in school. This is what we have right now, and then we have escalated to a 3D model. So this is a 3D print model.
So
Yes.
how long does it take the progress from here to here?
With the help of our teachers, it took about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yes. Took about
Have
5
you
minutes.
approached any universities for this idea?
We did. We went to Bali, but it wasn't my team. It was another team's. So
it's focused on your school,
Yes.
compete for this all this.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time and effort.
Thank you.